Did you know that millionaires often use debt to make more money, not less? While many fear debt as a financial trap, the wealthy see it differently. They view it as an opportunity. Take real estate, for example. A millionaire might buy property worth $500,000 but put down only 20%. They borrow the rest with a low-interest loan, yet that property can appreciate by 3–4% annually. If they rent out this house at $2,000 per month, their monthly income covers the loan and leaves profit. But wait, isn't using debt to make more debt a trap? Actually, the key is in understanding the difference between good and bad debt. Good debt, like mortgages, can be used as a lever to pull in more money, while bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, drains it. In short, if you want to grow your wealth like millionaires do, learn to use strategic debt, the tool that can turn your financial situation around. Remember, this is general education. For specific advice, consult with a professional. Subscribe and decode how the wealthy use money mechanics to their advantage.